Haven't been myself for the longest time. Can't blame my health, just feel like I'll be better off somewhere else, somewhere I can hide away and never be found. I hate to dwell in all this complication. I know I will find my way out soon, but I don't want to
Yay, cheers to
burden
friendship.
you till I feel ready.
Hola guys, it's Chelsea and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing well and thank you for clicking on this video. I'm doing a voiceover once again kasi lagi ko talaga nakakalimutan magsalita sa mga vlogs ko. So, ayan, nandito na naman ako and basta, itong video na to compared to last week, it's more of a parang feel good char or parang ano lang. It's really just me finding joy sa aking kapaligiran and I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. So, keep on watching. This was kindly gifted to me by Kim's store. And actually, parang dalawa na ata yung ganito namin sa bahay. Isa sa first floor sa kitchen. Tapos yung isa, parang sa Rupert personal kasi may siya sa bread. And feel ko, this would be perfect dun sa office area ko. Nakakatamad umakyat baba.
Wow, they all found out. They tried to shout, but when in doubt, the facade of the sea staring back at me.
Ang cute!
Each led like sheep stepped foot to sea, drowning oh so patiently. The same people sitting anxiously.
Super bilis ng mga orders ko. Dumating na rin yung in-order ko na rug for the CR, tsaka yung sa entrance ng kwarto ko. Grabe, natitempa ko eyeliner. Hindi ako sanay hindi ako naka-eyeliner, sa totoo lang. Yung mata ko parang siya. Naturally, chubby yung eyelid ko. Mag-eyeliner ba? I wanted to share something with you guys kasi super happy ako sa find ko na ito. I've been hunting for a camcorder since May or June ata. Kasi nung July birthday ko, dapat mag-beach kami. Sa Batangas lang naman. Pero gusto ko kasi nun yung clips for my birthday is parang vintagey. So, naghanap ako nun ng camcorder kasi ginanahan ako nung first time ko nakakita nun sa Quiapo. I mean, yung first time na testing ko, ganun. Pero ayun, last week lang, Facebook Marketplace ko, yung feed ko dun, puro siya sofa at saka mga cabinet. Biglang may isa lang na camcorder. Biglang parang ginanahan ako. Feel ko yun yung sign ko na ay, maghanap ka na ulit. So, naghanap ako. I'm so happy! Here it is. Sobrang happy ko dito kasi ayoko masyado mag-splurge. Ito namang camera na to, hindi ko siya gagamitin talaga for a whole vlog. Parang additional clips lang siya. So, nag-set ako ng budget for this below 5K. Scored this from a Russian seller. Tingin ko traveler siya. Here is my camcorder. Nice na meron siyang kasamang bag. Yan pa niya ako ng tripod. She also gave me 2 extra batteries. Yung model na to, siguro pasok pa to sa mga 10K or 7K na presyo. Pero she sold this to me for just 2,900 pesos. And sobrang steal nito. Yung model na to is Sony HDR SR10. Yeah, nung nakita ko yung model, sinearch ko siya agad sa YouTube kasi may mga dun may mga 12 years old na video na gumagawa ng mga reviews. Pwede ko pa nga siya lagyan ng, hindi ko alam.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go, leave me here all alone. I'll be waiting, can't make it, because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing on all this waiting. I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taken, baby.
Okay, so just to give you guys a context, I met up with a long-time mutual on Instagram, and ayun, if you guys watch my previous vlog, you would know some of the things that I've been feeling lately, and wala lang, I just wanted to bond with someone who likes the same stuff as me, and parang everything just flows naturally, na parang mahilig din siya mag-picture, mahilig siya pumunta sa magagandang lugar. So yeah, everyone, meet Jonard. I also met a subscriber, which was very exciting, nakakatuwa, and ayun, that's it. Enjoy this vlog.
Uy, yung ganda gawa ko lookbook, tas ganito lang. Mamaya maganda eh. Walk home, you and you're all my coffee, yeah. I love how you trace the curves of my body. Sunday morning lay upon to me. Live in the moment in life, there's no guarantee.
Hi guys, andito kami. Tapos insert the chest. I got defensive.
So we're here sa The Side Story. I'm so excited. Ang tahimik. Hindi ako makapag-wait. Some thoughts while I was there. Honestly, yung mga ganitong lugar talaga, ito yung mga ano nagpapa-boost ng creativity ko. Well, parang every time na I'm in a creative rut, every time that I go to places like this, for example, Japanese surplus, yun yung mga go-to ko. It just feels nice to be surrounded with stuff that were made by creative people. Parang it makes me want to be creative also. And here, sa Design Story, even when I can't afford some of the stuff yet, it just feels good to be there, looking at them, and thinking of the future na someday ka sa akin. Parang ganun, someday bibilin kita. Thank you. Ang saya. Alam mo, hindi ako sanay nare-regaluhan. Parang surprise.
Ay, dalawang isip pa ako kasi sabi ko may friend ka na baka hindi mo na ako tanggap.
Hindi, sabay tayo aangat. What?
Cheers.
Even when I don't buy things, even when I just look at them, malaking factor sa akin yung nandun ako. And, seeing colors that I like, seeing shapes that I like, parang sobrang siya. Ang daming pumapasok sa isip ko na, uy, shit, ang ganda ng kulay na to. Basta, iba talaga. Hindi ko ma-explain. Anyway, we actually stayed here for a bit kasi dito kami nagchikahan. And we had coffee. We had dinner sa Yabu after that. And then we went to Glorieta. And sobrang last minute, pinag-shopping ako ni Charles and Keith. So thank you so much, Charles and Keith, for gifting me some bags. I'm super excited to share them with you guys. But anyway, that was it for this day. I had a lot of fun and sobrang pagod ako, pero it was nice to see a new face and parang connect with someone who likes the same stuff as you, and hopefully I get to meet a lot of Johnards soon. So yun, to my fellow creators, tara! Charo! Pangit ko magsalita, pero that's it for today's video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!